So I want to see a show of hands of how many of you guys think that you're having a rough start to the trading or investing year of 2022. And the reason that I say this is because it's definitely not just you. We just reported that for the first 6 months, so the first half of the year, we just experienced the worst half of the year, the worst 6 months of the stock market since 1970. This is what the S&P 500 just reported. And the reason I'm sharing this with you is because just like when we approach or get close to milestones, an example can be like Apple. When Apple stock was getting very close to a $3 trillion market cap, there wasn't anything special that happened that specific day that created Apple to be worth more. But because it was already so close to that milestone, when news outlets bring awareness to this issue or to this potential milestone, more demand tends to follow. And although that is a positive catalyst, today just kind of it was a negative catalyst. And being completely honest with how today started out, I really do not think that today was that bad of a day. I'm going to start sharing my screen so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm looking at. The SQQQ is up 3.8%. TQQQ is down 3.5%. The NASDAQ ended in the red 1%. Come on. With what we've experienced this year, you really think that this is, you know, a obstacle or a challenge that we haven't faced before? Of course not, right? But I want you to understand, the reason I'm making this video is I want you to understand that if you feel like you've been having a challenging time learning how to trade, learning how to invest, you're not alone. This has 100% has been one of the worst starts for the first 6 months since 1970. So understand that you are tolerating something that people have not tolerated in my lifetime for this long period of time. So in other words, in LeBron James' words, you're built different. Oh my God, I need to stop with these dad jokes. I really do apologize for that. But I mean that, right? I mean, that should at least like empower you a little bit, right? That you're experiencing something that not a lot of people have been able to experience before and or tolerate, right? You've made it this far. For me, that's encouraging. And the reason I say that is because there's so much upside opportunity. If you've done a good job with your position size, or if you've done well managing your risk, you've made it this far. There's a great upside. It's not that things are automatically going to get better, but we have this better half of 2022 that I really hope that we begin to work towards. So with that being said, I just want to quickly update you guys on what is going on with the NASDAQ market. It's pretty much break even. Again, you guys can look up all of this yourself, but as of right now, it's barely in the red. It was green a little while ago, and this is the S&P, the NASDAQ future after market hours. And then one of the last things that I want to bring up is at 9:45, so that's 15 minutes after the market opens, the S&P Global U.S. Manufacturing PMI report, the final report, will be released. And again, that is 15 minutes after the market opens. So please make sure that you are aware of that. And if you're part of my Learn Plan Profit group, then don't worry. We'll make sure that we actually catch what happens when the market reacts to this. But yeah, I mean, nothing out of the ordinary. Today was kind of a pretty volatile day. If you see with my earlier video, right, we went from being down on TQQQ, I think like 8 or 9%. It made a full recovery. If I'm not mistaken, TQQQ was actually break even, and then it gave it somewhat back. I'm very excited to see how the market follows tomorrow, being the first kind of start to the better half of 2022. But please make sure that we don't forget interest rates. They're still high, and they're probably going to get higher as the Feds raise them. Let's not forget that, you know, for this upcoming month of July, starting tomorrow, we have the CPI data report that's set to be released around July 10th or July 11th, and we will be live streaming that. So make sure that you subscribe. And any pivotal report or any very important or crucial report or announcement that's going to be released, I'm going to make sure that I either live stream it and or do recaps after they are reported. So I really hope that, if you're trying to get into the stock market, that we can stay connected. And again, all you literally have to do is subscribe to the channel. So I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you guys haven't done so already. And feel free to stay connected. I respond to all of my direct messages. You guys can join my free Discord group. It's a free trading group chat with over 40,000 members. And that's going to be that first link down below. If you want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, that's that second link. And again, friendly reminder, our iPad Air giveaway does end today. So if you want to pick up anything from our Shop TechBuds site, any mouse pads, any of the flags that you see behind me, anything, for every $1 you spend, it equals 15 automatic entries. You don't have to buy anything, but if you've already wanted to buy something, then again, you automatically get entered towards our giveaway, and it literally ends tonight. The giveaway winner will be announced tomorrow. And again, it only takes one lucky entry to be our giveaway winner. So good luck. I'll see you guys tomorrow during our live trading session. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.